Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on setting up company info in Connecteam. Let's get started. To set up your company info, start by accessing the company settings. Click on your name or avatar, select Settings, and navigate to the Company Info tab. Note that only account owners have access to manage this tab. Here, you can enter and adjust essential company details, including industry, employee range, country, and number of branches. You will also have the option to configure two company detail fields, which are linked to the User Details custom fields, meaning any updates will automatically reflect in employee profiles. Setting up your company's general settings in Connecteam is essential for a personalized and well-structured experience. If your company operates multiple branches, you can create a branch section and list them all. Assign each branch a title and a direct manager. You also have the option to add a department field and define your company's departments by assigning each a title and a direct manager. Like branches, department details are tied to user profiles, ensuring any changes update automatically. For more detailed structuring, you can list different roles or responsibilities and designate who is in charge. This information also syncs with user details, ensuring role-based management. Any edits you make in the Company Info tab will reflect in the user detail fields, which can be found on the user page. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.